Hey, what's up, two birds and two beds? I'm here at Wat Phaya Wat, Thailand. Let's look inside, see how beautiful it is. Thank you for over 700 subs. This is my second video. I'm on my RX 107 right now, so let me take off my shoes. I'm gonna walk in and show you how very beautiful it is, okay? Okay, guys, it's very hot, blazing hot here in Thailand right now. Wat Phaya Wat, this is probably my last temple today, so... Oh, there's water here. Okay, maybe I can drink some of that. Be taking some of that with me. I'm not too sure if I can drink it though, so. Okay, let's just walk around one time and let's see how beautiful it is, okay? Wat Phaya Wat, okay? Thailand. Okay. Now let's get out of here and let me put on my shoes, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk around the temple grounds one time just so I can give you a bird's eye view of what we're dealing with here and the history behind this of the architecture, okay? Okay. So it's a very beautiful temple, as you can see. I'm just going to walk around it and just one time, okay? This is the temple, the main temple, and the back of it is the ancient one, is the old temple, okay? And this is the cream and butter. This is where people come to pray. Oh, is that a gong? Let me gong the gong. Yeah, that's exactly what I need to do. Let me gong the gonger for you, because I didn't do that, okay? Okay, I'm a gonger type guy, so just let me put it on here. Let me balance it. And now I'm going to gong the gong, okay? Are you ready? Okay, I'm going now. Okay, you can watch me. Okay, here we go, buddy. Okay, I just gonged the gonger for you. Now let me walk around one time at this very beautiful, I just took pictures here, so I gotta get out of here now. When I was taking a picture, I almost fell. It's pretty funny, but it's not funny, but Wat Phaya Wat, okay? Okay. My phone was, I think it's overheating, software problem or hardware problem, but now it's okay now. Yes, hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, good afternoon.
Country
America. And you?
and Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes.
Which province?
This again.
Which province? จังหวัดไหน
Nan.
น่าโอเค nice to meet you
เมืองกระจ่างไทย
พูดภาษาไทยนิดหน่อย
แล้วมากี่คนอ่ะ
ตัวนี้ I come with my friend
มา2 คน
ใช่ครับ
มากิฟซาลาเปาฟิป
ซาลาเปา
มีกิฟอยู่
Thank you. Okay,ซาลาเปา Okay. Two. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I appreciate that.
ครับ Happy my friend
Okay. สวัสดีปีใหม่สงกรานต์โอเค
ปีใหม่สงกรานต์เช่นกันพูดไทยเดี๋ยวนี้ได้คุณมาทำอะไร
นิ
ที่
ด
เมือ
นะ
งไทยคะที่จังหวัดน่านคะ
ทำงานครับ
อ๋ออยู่หน่วยไหนอ่ะ
ทำงานอยู่ที่แบงคอก
อ๋ออยู่แบงคอกแล้วมาที่ไทยแลนด์
yeah
มาที่ไทยแลนด์
yeah
พักที่น่านโพลิสฮาวลอง
หลายปีครับ
เนาะรู้ไหนสิ
ใช่ครับ
มาทูใช่ไหม
yeah
มาทูยูไว้เยลโล่เป็นสวิส
thank you
สวิส
ครับ
อันนี้เป็นมิส
ได้ครับโอเค let me see ซาลาเปา is that ซาลาเปาโอเค
ยูโคมไมยูเฟน
thank you โอเคครับ thank you thank you so much โอเคบายบายโอเคขอบคุณมากครับ สวัสดีครับโอเค
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับโอเค thank you
thank you
she just gave me ซาลา
you okay
okay bye bye okay she just gave me ซาลาเปา they're very friendly you see guys gave me ซาลาเปา she's so nice and here Wat Phaya Wat all right now time to get out of here guys so let me what I have to do now is I have to stop the video so let me stop it okay so I'm just gonna turn it around and I'm gonna stop it okay I don't know if I can walk over here but I'm gonna try to walk okay guys so here at Wat Phaya Wat I just got some sarapao from this beautiful older lady now I'm getting out of here now as you can see so remember when you help other people you help yourselves okay I'll see you in the next episode okay guys okay bye bye time to get out of here I have sarapao now for lunch so but I don't know if I'm gonna eat it or not. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye. It's lunchtime now in Thailand, so okay. See you guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye bye.